Valerius, EHC's new floor-standing commercial boiler built for serious performance in demanding environments. Compact, powerful and engineered for large-scale heating, Valerius fits seamlessly into plant rooms and commercial spaces. With DN65 flange connections, BMS compatibility and full modulation, it's designed for precision and control. Cascade up to 10 units with intelligent load balancing, ideal for hotels, schools, offices and industrial sites. Installers love the straightforward setup. Architects value the space efficiency. Property managers trust the reliability. Valerius by EHC, commercial heating, redefined. Discover more at electric-heatingcompany.co.uk.